Let's make some chicken puffy tacos. I don't know if this is just a San Antonio thing, but these are so good. We're going to use a whole chicken split in half. If you want to save my recipes just like this one, I found this new app called Resemi, where you can easily save all your recipes all in one place. It even saves the ones that don't have typed out ingredients. I'm definitely saving all my recipes on here. We're gonna season it with a little bit of salt on both sides. Heat up a pan, add some oil, and place your chicken skin side down. I must say, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? Now we got some browning in the pan and got a nice color in the chicken. This is gonna help build flavor. Set the chicken aside. Into the same pan, we're gonna add half of a yellow onion diced. Cook that out for a couple minutes. Add 5 cloves of garlic. Let them cook for a couple minutes and remove any excess oil. Add a couple tablespoons of tomato paste. You're gonna cook that out on low heat for a couple minutes. Add a couple chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. Add 1 quart of chicken stock and scrape up all that fond we developed in the bottom of that pan. Now we're gonna add this to the blender, along with half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a quarter teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now we're gonna bring our chicken back into the pan. All right. Add your sauce to the pan as well. Add some chicken stock till you fill it 3/4 of the way up. We're going to braise it in the oven at 350 degrees for an hour and a half, or you could just cook it on the stovetop. By this time, your chicken should be falling apart. In the meantime, I'm gonna be reducing my sauce a little bit. You're going to shred all your chicken and remove all the bones. And then you're going to add it back to your pan and let it absorb all those flavors. Once it's reduced a bit, taste it, and if you think it needs a little bit of seasoning, adjust your seasoning with salt. Look at how good that looks. For your tortillas, you need 4 cups of masa instante, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 cups of warm water. Okay, so now the trick is to fold in your flour to the water. Just mix that up. And when nothing sticks to the bowl, you got a bomb-ass dough. Now, all you gotta do is portion them out, press them with your tortilla press, and fry them up. They can be a bit delicate. Press them with the back of a spoon and fold it into a taco shell. I think this recipe easily makes like 20 tacos. Top them with lettuce, tomato, guacamole, and some queso fresco.